so welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video we are going to see how to order on the lip balm company website. So I'm gonna order few lip balms, lip masks from the lip balm company. So I thought let me share it with you guys, let me do it along with you guys. So yeah, let's move on to the video. So first and foremost, let me give you a small introduction about the brand, the lip balm company. So this is owned by Dr. Rajan, who is a dermatologist, and actress, a superstar, lady superstar Nayanthara is in partnership with this brand. So in the beginning, lady superstar launched a few lip balms like the orange tang lip balm. So yeah. So there is a sale going on right now, the Oli sale. The sale is going to end within 25 minutes. So yeah. So let's see how to order on the lip balm company website. So what you'll have to do is open your Chrome and type the lip balm company. There you go. This is the home page of the lip balm company. The lip balm company has a wide variety of lip balms and lip masks available. So you can see Nayanthara, lady superstar, right there. Yeah, I told you, she launched the orange flavored lip balm. So that is that. And this lip balm, Dr. Rajan is planning to launch 100 lip balms on this website, guys. Think like 100 lip balms. And they are launching lip balms every week. I've been planning to do this video since the launch of the website. But then I was like, should I order it right away or should I wait till the launch of all the lip balms? So that's why I'm late. So now there is a good amount of lip balms, a decent amount of lip balms available on the website. So I thought, let me order it right away. So there's one such option in this website called What's Your Lip Balm? So if you are confused, if you don't know what lip balm would suit your lips, you can take the quiz like in Skincraft will give you that quiz right while entering the website. So this also gives you a quiz if you don't know what to order. So let me click that. And it says a lip balm matchmaker, start quiz. And I am female. I am looking to treat a sensitive lips, a plump eye lips, reduce lip pigmentation, treat a dry and chapped lips, protect my lips, lip detox, lip rejuvenation and anti-aging. These are the options that is given. Is there all of the above option? We could just click one of these options available. So I'm going to go with treat sensitive lips because I have a very sensitive lips which is dry and chapped and peeling. It does everything, guys. It is extremely sensitive. Very few lip balms in the world works for me. So yeah, and I will definitely let you know, guys, if these lip balms work for me or not in my future videos. And the next question is, I like fruity flavors or exotic flavors. Let me go with exotic flavors. I am looking for a lip balm for the day or for night time. For both. What should I go for? Let me go for the day. Oh yeah, the quiz is over. So here are the best matches for your lips and your needs. So there's this Chocolate Co Lip Mask Edition and there's Glossy Bee Lip Balm. And there is again Chocolate Co Lip Mask. Both are same, I think, guys, because the pricing is same. And there is a Plump Butter Lip Balm, Cherry Heavy Lip Balm, Tang Lip Balm. So these are the lip balms that are the best matches for my lips because to treat sensitivity of my lips. There's a Glossy Bee Lip Balm. Should I get it? So these are the lip balms that this website has suggested for me. So let us explore together what are the lip balms available. I'm clicking on the menu option. In there you can see collections. So there are variety of categories available like a lip repair, OT range, lip balms, either levitate, active lip, niram, spice and tinkle. So these are the categories available. So let me first click on the lip repair or lip repair, I don't know. Okay, these are the lip masks for lips. These are not the lip balms. These are the lip masks. The first one is called Apricot Lip Mask and the second one is Chocolate Co Lip Mask and the third one is a Peach Co Lip Mask. This website suggested me the Chocolate Co Lip Balm. So let me click on that. But I'm not a big fan of chocolates. I don't like chocolate flavors. By the way, these lip balms are manufactured using a safe ingredients, so you don't have to worry. So yeah, this is priced at rupees 680. By the way, when you add this product to the cart, you will get the only sale slash price. So yeah, this is priced at rupees 680 originally, and it is 5 gram, just 5 gram guys. 5 gram is priced at rupees 680 rupees. And the benefits are lip treatment for sensitive lips, healing and repairing, plumping and hydrating, reduces lip pigmentation, and the key ingredients are calendula oil, natural chocolate extracts. The best time to use this lip balm is a bedtime. Gender is unisex. You can use this lip balm, lip mask above 15 years of age. Hydration time is 12 hours guys. This means that the lip balm gives you hydration for 12 hours, meaning that you need to reapply it only after 12 hours. Hats off. I'm just mind blown guys by seeing the hydration time of these lip masks. In a nutshell, what this lip balm does is, it is a repair lip balm for dry and chapped lips. So it is 100% plant origin content. It is 100% organic. So how to use this? Apply it on your lips as usual. So there are few FAQs, and your lip balm is free from preservative, added colors, free from artificial flavors, clinically tested, vegan, microplastic free, sustainably sourced. So as you can see, the outer packaging of the lip balm is a wooden box. So yeah, it is microplastic free. So this also is apple core lip mask. I really wanted to order the apple one because these kind of flavors are not available in any other brand, right? You don't find apple lip balm that often. So yeah, this also treats lip sensitivity, healing and repairing, plumping and hydration, pigment reduction. So yeah, I'm gonna get this one, and this is priced at rupees 490. Let me add this to cart. The time is now 9:40 and I have just 20 minutes left for the sale to get over. As you can see, the subtotal gives you 441. So the slash price. So moving on to the OT range, in this category, the lip balms are made up of tea. So you can see the golden tea lip balm, pure tea lip balm, which is basically your green tea, mango tea lip balm, choco tea lip balm. So yeah, I think the mango tea lip balm is made up of mango butter. Let me check that. Oh, not mango butter, but they have added the natural mango extract. For making a lip balm, you need a base, either a shea butter, mango butter or cocoa butter. You need some base. Dr. Nayanthara has used hydrogenated castor oil. When you hydrogenate a castor oil, it becomes like a wax. It becomes a hard wax. So that is the base of the lip balms. So we have golden tea lip balm, and that's what I have in my mind to order. It says it reduces the dry flakes on the lips. I have dry flakes that is peeling, and it comes off very easily guys. I don't know how I do this scrubbing routine. I apply lip balm all the time, still the lip skin comes peeling out of my lips. So yeah, this one says the reduction of dry flakes on the lips. So that's why I'm thinking of ordering this one, and this can be used day, overnight, any time of the day. So in a nutshell, this lip balm is to reduce the lip surface flaking. Wow, this is why you need lip balm that is curated by dermatologist. Wow guys, really wow. I've never seen a lip balm that tells you it reduces the lip surface flaking. I've never come across a lip balm that says this. Wow, this is why you need doctor curated things. So this is the OT range. There are 4 lip balms available in this range. More lip balms are on the way guys, and they are dropping lip balms every single week. That's amazing. So next is lip balm balms, and we have cherry heavy lip balm and plum butter lip balm. Plum butter lip balm is basically to make your lips look plumped up after applying this. So I believe this lip balm will tingle your lips to make it look appear bigger in size. So this is the plum butter lip balm. And the next lip balm that is available in the lip balm balms is that cherry heavy lip balm. I think this is heavy on the cherry. So what are the ingredients of this? Ashwagandha. The key ingredient of this one is ashwagandha guys. In a nutshell, this lip balm is a lifestyle lip balm to repair and rehydrate. So this is for anti-drying, plumping, blue light protection, a pollution fighter. I will come to the blue light protection part because they have a separate lip balm for that. And yeah, these are the two lip balms that is available in the lip balm bombs. Then we have Either as the most expensive lip balm, guys. I feel Pine lip balm is priced at rupees 1,290 and Tree of Life lip balm is priced at rupees 1,450, and there we have Aloe Mousse lip balm which is priced at rupees 1,050. I guess the ingredients are hard to source and they are pricey, and that's why the lip balm is also pricey. See, and they have used the pine tree bark extract in it, so yeah, this is kind of costly. And there we have a Tree of Life lip balm which is priced at rupees 1,450 and it is for 5 gram. And they have used the Tree of Life extract in it. And then we have Aloe Mousse lip balm. This lip balm also acts as a nail, a cuticle cream. And moving on to the next category, that is the Levitate, which I believe is a light lip balm for everyday usage, kind of that. We have Tang Mango lip balm and Tang lip balm, two lip balms in this range. And Tang Mango is a mixture of orange and mango together. Pretty color, and it is priced at rupees 540 for 7 gram. And then we have a Tang lip balm. This is one of the popular lip balms from their website, I believe, and I've seen a lot of people trying this lip balm, Tang lip balm, and the 5 gram of the Tang lip balm is priced at rupees 510. So moving on to the next category, that is the active lip. We have Cherry Heavy lip balm, Glossy Bee lip balm, and Blue Stopper lip balm. Guys, you guys know there is a Blue Stopper spectacles available for you to prevent the blue rays entering into the eyes. So this lip balm is to prevent the blue rays damaging your lips. So yeah, this is the Blue Stopper lip balm. They have a Blue Stopper lip balm, guys. This is the first time in India, and this is the first Blue Stopper lip balm in India. So yeah, they have a malachite extract in it. So the active ingredients is malachite extract. Malachite is a crystal. If you are into crystals, you would know malachite is a nice green colored crystal. So they have used malachite extract in it, which is like very interesting. The next we have a Glossy Bee lip balm. This Glossy Bee lip balm comes with a steel ball applicator. Guys, what I did is I quickly checked out my cart because I was running out of time. As you can see, the time is at 10 p.m. and the sale ends right now, right here. So I went and I quickly ordered and I came back. So let us check the next category. That is the Niram category, which is beautiful, guys, and interesting too. Why I call this as an interesting category is because when you hear this name Niram, meaning color in Tamil, you would think that this category will have lip balms that are like colorful and that are colored and that gives you color when you apply the lip balm, isn't it? That's what you think of. But these lip balms in this category are some natural colors, you guys. By natural, I mean they have the Element C lip balm, which is navy blue in color, and there is a Seaside lip balm, which is like blue, light sky blue in color, and then we have Green Sea lip balm, which is like green in color, like sea algae, sea green in color. So these are the colors of the lip balm. This is not going to show up on your lips when you apply it. This is not going to give you navy blue or a green colored lip balm or lip tint on your lips. They have put up this category because you could see the color, but the lip tint will not transfer to your lips, which is a yeah from my side, because I have sensitive lips and colored lip balms never ever work on my lips at all. There are very few colored lip balms that would work. I mean, like Laneige has a lip tint to it, a very slight lip tint to it when you see it, but when you wear it, you cannot see the lip tint, right? So that's how it is. That's how a lip balm should be. It can be pleasing to eyes, but it should not have any artificial colors to it, and that's what I believe in. So there we have the Green Sea lip balm. So the main ingredient of this Green Sea lip balm is the organic sea algae and basil extracts. I've never come across a basil lip balm, and you could see the color of this lip balm. It is dark green in color, you guys, just like the sea algae. So the next we have Seaside lip balm. So this is the one that I ordered, a lip balm that reminds you of the lovely sea sand with its remarkable texture. of the rolling waves with the amazing spreadability and the sultry sea breeze with the marine notes. Wow guys, they're calling this as a marine notes. Let's check it once we receive it. And highlight of this lip balm is that it feels like sand, but once you apply it on your lips, it melts into a lip balm. Excited! I ordered 3 lip balms in total. I ordered the apple lip mask, I ordered the golden tea from the OT range lip balm, and I also ordered the seaside from the Niram range. So in total I ordered 3 lip balm, which initially costed me 1,800 rupees. Since the Oli sale is going on, I got this for 1,620 rupees, which means I got a discount of 180 rupees. So yeah, that's a good thing. So this is how you will order from the lip balm company, and these are the lip balms and the categories and everything that's available in the website. So I believe I helped you in this video. I believe I've talked something sense and that is useful for you guys. After receiving the products, I will definitely do an unboxing and first impression video. Until then, if you want to know the updates, you can check my Instagram profile. The link will be down below. So yeah, until then, I will see you in my next amazing video. This is me, Diti, signing off. Bye bye guys, take care.